Hi, this is Alan from Dewildt Chrysler, and today we have a 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon with the Recon package. Today we'll be accessorizing it with front-mounted winch, a couple of lights, 8-pillar lights, and a snorkel. Let's get to it. The whole bumper has to come off because you have to install a few brackets underneath. I had these extension bumpers here and a couple of other things. This part of the job is called teamwork. It's not too much taking these bumpers off, it's just a few nuts that hold the brackets and then a connector. The electrical part is just running a wire to the battery, and then the winch comes with a separate switch that you just plug on the side and just operate it when you're out of the vehicle, right? It doesn't get routed into the vehicle, it's just an outside of the vehicle thing. So now I have to add a few things to the bumper. I have to remove these and put bigger ones, add these extensions on there, and then just remove a few other things just to get it winch ready. I'm just unboxing this, taking out the winch. You'll have cables going to the battery, and then this is the switch. This will be plugged into the winch itself from the outside, and then you can just operate it manually. This is the part where the pulling looks like it sounds like it's breaking, but it's not. So this is the switch, and this is where it plugs into, just on the side here. Take this rubber grommet off, match the pins, and then you can retract it. So I fished the wire underneath the front grille, behind the headlight, underneath the air box, and to the negative and positive batteries. So now that we're finished with the winch, we're going to be installing the bumper mounted lights. To do that, we install this extra bracket that sits on top, and these two other mounting points. So if you couldn't tell, this is where we cut the hood for the snorkel. We had this hood removed and fabricated so it's easier to install. What we'll have to do is modify the original air box, remove the air box and the air dam, plug all these extra holes that are in there, and replace the original air intake box. Once that's all done, this piece will come from the hood, across the hood, and will mount to the new bracket we installed where the light is, and it'll sit just like this, just like that. So we're adding one final touch to this Wrangler. We put a 2-inch lift in the front and a 1.5-inch lift in the rear to compensate for the larger tires. I'm just checking it all out, making sure everything's torqued. That's what they look like. And I can't wait for you guys to see the final product. I'm Alan, and if you want to customize your Jeep, come see us at Dewildt Chrysler.